How to set up SSO in Salesforce. Follow these instructions. Log into your Salesforce admin account and go to Setup, where all configuration and security settings are managed. In the Quick Find box, search for Identity Provider and enable it to allow Salesforce to handle SSO authentication. Download the Salesforce metadata file, which you'll later upload into your chosen identity provider, IP for connection. In Salesforce, go to Single Sign-On Settings, click New, and select your SSO method such as SAML or OpenID Connect. Upload your IP metadata file, enter issuer details, and match attributes like username or email for authentication mapping. Save your settings, then assign the SSO-enabled profile or permission set to the users who will access via single sign-on. Test the connection by logging in through your IPS portal to ensure smooth authentication into Salesforce without password prompts. Thank you for watching.